What if I told you that you can create a fully narrated, professional quality explainer video without recording your voice, without touching a video editor, and without spending a single rupee on tools? I'm not talking about some shady template app. I'm talking about Google's own AI tool, NotebookLM, and it just quietly got a feature that almost nobody is talking about. By the end of this video, you'll see me go from a blank document to a finished explainer video in under 60 seconds. Let's go. For those of you who are new here, NotebookLM is a free AI research tool made by Google. You go to notebooklm.google.com, sign in with your Google account, and that's it. Free, no credit card. Now, most people use it to summarize documents or ask questions about PDFs. That's great, but we're going way beyond that today. Now click on Create Notebook. This is the part that makes NotebookLM different from every other tool. You don't need to research anything yourself. You don't need to find sources. Just type the title of your video directly into the prompt box. I'm typing, "Why Russia Wants the North Pole Arctic Shipping Routes," and click Submit. Watch what happens now. NotebookLM is not just answering your question, it is searching the entire web for all related resources, news articles, research papers, policy documents, geography analyses. It finds everything for you automatically and makes a complete list of sources. Look at this. It has found resources from geopolitics journals, news outlets, Arctic policy reports, shipping route analyses, all automatically. This is the research that would take you 3 to 4 hours, done in seconds. Now click the Import button. NotebookLM will pull all these resources together and combine them into a single structured draft. Wait a few seconds while it processes, and there it is. Google's AI has now read every single source and created a complete draft, with all the key arguments, facts, geography context, and geopolitical analysis already structured for a video. Now here's where the magic happens. Look at the bottom right panel. Click on Video Overview. Now you'll see format and language options. And here's something very important. NotebookLM will automatically create a voiceover in whatever language you select. So if your audience speaks Hindi, Urdu, Arabic, just select that language, and the entire voiceover will be generated in that language. You don't need to record your voice at all. Select your language. I'm keeping English for this demo. Now, choose your visual style. You have multiple options. Whiteboard, clean, educational, great for serious geopolitics content. Kawaii, fun and cute, more for casual or younger audiences. Anime, stylized, cinematic, very popular right now. Watercolor, artistic and beautiful, great for history and geography topics. Select your style and click Generate. Now we wait. This takes around 3 to 5 minutes. NotebookLM is building the entire video. The visuals, the narration, the structure, the voiceover, everything. Just leave it running. Okay, look at this. The video opens with a visual of the Arctic region.
Welcome to the Explainer, where we take complex sources and turn them into clear visual narratives. A pretty fragile reality for global security and our environment. Who truly controls the Arctic? Because as the ice recedes, the scramble to claim what's hiding underneath is seriously accelerating.
The voiceover is also good. It covers Russia's military positioning in the Arctic. It explains the economic value of the Northern Sea Route compared to the Suez Canal. It talks about NATO's response. All the key geopolitical angles structured into a clean, flowing explainer video. The length, 9 minutes. That is perfect for YouTube. Long enough for strong watch time, short enough to keep people till the end. Some of the images are really good. The maps, the diagrams, the Arctic visuals. A few frames are missing animation. It's not Hollywood, but overall, for a free tool, the quality is genuinely impressive. Now click Download and save your video. That's it. You now have a complete, narrated, 9-minute geopolitics explainer video ready to upload to YouTube. No editing software, no voiceover recording, no research hours. Just a title, a click, and 5 minutes of waiting. Every one of these has millions of potential views, and now you can create all of them for free using NotebookLM. No other tool does this. This is the only AI that searches the web for sources, builds the research, writes the script, generates the visuals, records the voiceover, and produces the final video, all in one place. All free. If you found this useful, please hit the like button. It takes 1 second, and it genuinely helps this channel grow and reach more people. And if you want more videos like this, tips on AI tools, content creation, and how to grow on YouTube, subscribe to the channel. I post new videos every week, and you don't want to miss what's coming next.